What if I told you the habits of billionaires could be the secret to unlocking your wealth? That the small decisions they make every single day might just hold the key to your success? Well, buckle up, because today we're diving into the life-changing habits of billionaires, habits that completely transformed my approach to wealth, and how you can adopt them too. By the end of this video, you'll be armed with the exact strategies that will reshape your financial future and put you on the path to living the wealthy life you've always dreamed of. Every billionaire shares one thing in common: their relentless commitment to personal growth and their ability to make decisions that others would shy away from. They don't just work hard, they think differently. They make every day count. But here's the twist: their habits aren't reserved for the elite. They're simple, actionable routines that you can start today. And trust me, once you get the ball rolling, you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. So what's the first habit that changed my life? Point 1. Prioritizing time over money. Billionaires understand that time is the most precious asset. They know that every second counts. And they don't just manage time, they prioritize it. It's the reason why many billionaires are incredibly selective about how they spend their day. They know they can't buy more time, but they can use every minute more effectively than most people. So here's the hard truth: your time is not an endless resource. How often do you find yourself wasting hours scrolling through social media or binge-watching TV shows? These billionaires don't fall into that trap. Instead, they invest their time in things that bring them closer to their goals. They build daily systems to optimize their schedules, cutting out distractions like dead weight. Imagine what would happen if you started prioritizing your time like they do. What if you structured your day around your most important goals? But wait, this leads me to a secret habit that goes hand in hand with time management, one that completely alters the course of your financial journey. Point 2. The power of consistency and discipline. Billionaires don't rely on bursts of inspiration. They thrive on discipline and consistency. Their success isn't the result of sporadic genius moments. It's built on the foundation of small, consistent actions that add up over time. Bill Gates once said, "We always overestimate the change that will occur in the next 2 years and underestimate the change that will occur in the next 10. That's the mindset. Want to know what that looks like in practice? It's waking up early every single day. It's having a routine that you follow no matter what. It's reading a book, reviewing your financial goals, exercising, or planning your next business venture, even on the days when you don't feel like it. Does that sound difficult? Good. That's because it's the hard things that pay off, and you're going to love the results once you see how this habit compounds in your life. But stay with me. The next habit may be even more transformational than this one. And it's something that's shockingly simple, yet so powerful. Trust me, you won't believe how easily you can implement this. Point 3. Investing in yourself. Lifelong learning. Billionaires never stop learning. They understand the value of knowledge and skills, and they invest heavily in themselves. Whether it's reading books, taking courses, or surrounding themselves with experts, they understand that the best investment is the one made in your own growth. Think about it. What if the most valuable asset you could own was your mind? What if you were constantly upgrading yourself, gaining new insights, and learning new strategies to outpace your competition? It doesn't matter where you are now. What matters is where you're willing to go with your learning. As Warren Buffett says, "The more you learn, the more you earn." The billionaires you admire are constantly expanding their knowledge and their network, gaining insights that position them at the top of their industries. But here's the twist. The next habit might surprise you, because it's not what most people associate with wealth building. Are you ready? Point 4. Building powerful relationships. Billionaires know that relationships are the real currency of success. They understand that collaboration beats competition every time. When you build powerful networks and surround yourself with people who push you to be better, you unlock opportunities that you can't create alone. So here's a question for you. How many of your relationships are helping you get closer to your financial goals? Are you surrounding yourself with individuals who elevate your mindset? Billionaires do this intentionally. They invest in relationships that bring value, whether through business partnerships or mentorship. Their networks are the secret sauce to building empires. And here's a little-known truth. One phone call, one handshake, one meeting can change your life forever. Don't underestimate the power of who you know. Now, there's one final habit I'm about to share, one that ties everything together and could be the game changer for your wealth. But here's the catch. It's not just about what you do during the day. Point 5. The art of rest and recharging. Yes, you heard me right, rest. Billionaires are notorious for their intense focus and discipline, but they also understand the importance of downtime. Rest and recovery are essential for sustaining high performance. Elon Musk takes time to spend with his family, and Jeff Bezos swears by getting 8 hours of sleep to keep his mind sharp. You see, without proper rest, your mind and body will burn out. It's a delicate balance between hustle and relaxation. If you're not recharging, you're missing a vital part of the equation. So while you're pushing toward your goals, don't forget to take care of your mental health. Schedule your downtime as seriously as you schedule your work hours. Point 6. Embracing failure as a lesson, not a setback. Billionaires aren't afraid of failure. In fact, they welcome it because they know it's not the end, but the beginning of growth. Failure teaches lessons that success can never offer. Richard Branson once said, "You don't learn to walk by following rules. You learn by doing and by falling over." And that's exactly the mindset you need to embrace. Every billionaire I've studied has faced significant failures, but they don't view those failures as setbacks. Instead, they use them as learning opportunities. Opportunities to recalibrate, to improve, and to get closer to their goals. The difference between them and the average person is that they don't let fear of failure paralyze them. They push forward and learn from the experience. What would happen if you started viewing every setback as an opportunity to grow? What if you stopped fearing failure and started using it as the fuel to launch yourself higher? Point 7. Taking calculated risks. The final habit that sets billionaires apart? Their ability to take calculated risks. Billionaires don't gamble, but they are willing to step outside their comfort zone when the potential reward outweighs the risk. This isn't about blind leaps into the unknown. It's about data-driven decisions and having the courage to act when the odds are in your favor. But this doesn't mean you should be reckless. The key is understanding the risks you're taking and making sure they align with your bigger vision. Jeff Bezos, for example, left a stable job to start Amazon. It was a calculated risk based on his understanding of the future potential of the internet. And we all know how that turned out. So ask yourself, are you taking enough calculated risks to move forward? Are you embracing change and innovation? So, are you ready to adopt these billionaire habits and start transforming your life? I know it won't be easy, but if you can stay committed and apply these habits consistently, you'll be well on your way to unlocking your potential and creating lasting wealth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified whenever we drop more life-changing content. And remember, the best time to start is now. So, get out there and start making those billionaire habits a part of your daily routine. If you're ready to start building your wealth with billionaire habits, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more life-changing strategies. And hey, don't just stop here. Check out my video on the secret to overcoming procrastination to take your success to the next level. Let's make your journey to wealth unstoppable.